In this video, we're going to look at how to convert minutes to time using a basic arithmetic formula. In this example, we have a list of minutes in column B, and what we're going to do here is to convert these minutes into a time format, such as hours and minutes. The formula that we're going to use here to convert minutes into time is a simple arithmetic formula without the need to use any Excel functions. All this formula is going to do is to simply divide the number of minutes by the total number of minutes in a single day. So let's begin by entering the formula into cell C3. We'll first select the cell that captures the minutes. In this case, that's cell B3. So let's go and select this, equals B3. Then we're going to divide this by 1440, which is the number of minutes in a single day. So let's enter this into the formula. Divide 1440 and then press the enter key. The next step is to format the result to a specific time format that you prefer. To do this, right click on the cell that captures the result, which in this case is cell C3, and select Format Cells. This will display a Format Cells dialog box. In the Number tab, which should be selected by default, you can either select any of these pre-existing time formats in the Time category, or create your own custom time format by going to the Custom category. The format that we'll use here is the Hours and Minutes format, which is represented by HH, column, and MM. This is just a format that I've used here, but you can use any other type of time format that you like. And then press the OK button. You'll notice that the result has now been converted to hours and minutes format. We can now drag the formula down and see the results of all the minutes that we've listed in column B. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.